This tutorial is going to show you how to use Layer to merge two pictures together, just the basics. I'm going to load up two images and merge together a picture of a female and a male. So I pick the two pictures to lay them into the top and bottom layers, and then I hit and go, and it will then bring the pictures in. Now you can see on the bottom left you've got three different layers to work with: the top layer, the alpha layer, and the bottom layer. I'm on the alpha layer right now, but and I'm going to switch from a gradient to none. That's going to take away that red gradient that is on there. Now I'll get a little bit more into the alpha in a second. If I select the top layer, you'll see that I can move the top layer around. I can also scale it with a pinch zoom. I can also rotate the image. Okay. And I can do the same thing as well if I come to the bottom layer. But you'll see that the bottom layer is kind of obstructed by the top layer. I can't see through the top layer. That's where the alpha layer comes in. I can adjust the alpha layer to let a certain amount of the bottom picture come through. All of it, some of it, or none of it, by changing this little alpha here, this little bar. Now I can also do some other tricks with it, like using a gradient. Right? So I can set the overall alpha as, say 2/3 transparent, and then the red portion will show all of it through, completely transparent. And I can move that, and I can scale it just like I would the top layer or bottom layers. So I'm going to then reconfigure this, and what I'm going to do is I've got the top layer set with an alpha, and now I'm just going to bring the bottom layer, the man on the bottom layer, and I'm going to start to scale the image just so I can kind of get the mouth and eyes roughly lined up. Now for a little bit finer control, the Pro version can use this control option here to go from normal control to fine, and what you'll see then is that I have about 5 times as much finer control, so that as I move my gestures, my finger on the screen, I get a much finer change. It's very helpful when you're just trying to hone in just the right fit. Okay, so now that I've roughly got that, I'm going to bring the alpha back up, and now you're going to not be able to see the bottom layer at all. But then I will pull in my gradient. Right? I'll switch to the gradient, and I am going to then just scale him down, the red, and I'll just kind of place it somewhere in the middle there. So you can see now I've kind of made a window through the top to allow the bottom to come in, and now if I want, I can just kind of slightly tweak the placement of that bottom layer to get just the kind of lineups that I want to get, say at the chin, between the lips, at the hairline, etc. And once I'm satisfied with what I have, then I can just hit the save button, and that will save it to the SD card.